हेलो गाइस, व्हाट्सअप। तो आज मैं आपको बताने जा रहा हूं कुछ ऐसे टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स रिगार्डिंग कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट जिससे आप कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट को बहुत आसानी से यूज कर सकते हैं, राइट। तो मैं कुछ ऐसे डिफरेंट डिफरेंट वेज आपको बताने जा रहा हूं आज। ओके, सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। तो सबसे पहला जो हम सबसे सिंपल यूज करते हैं कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट को ओपन करने का तरीका जो होता है, दैट इज कि क्लिक ओवर द स्टार्ट बटन, सर्च हियर द CMD. Okay, or otherwise we can use simple name the command prompt as well. Okay, just click over the command prompt, it will open, right. In case occasionally maybe you will require to run command prompt as administrator, so you can right click over here and click over the run as administrator, right. Or else you will get the option here as well. Okay, if you want to run as an application or if you want to run as an administrator, right, so you can use it either ways, right. तो ये हुआ हमारा पहला स्टेप। नेक्स्ट आगे बढ़ते हैं। कई बार में भी हमें जरूरत पड़ सकती है कि हमें किसी स्पेसिफिक लोकेशन में कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट ओपन करना पड़े। ओके, तो सिंपली जस्ट क्लिक ओवर हियर, ओके, एंड delete this and type CMD. Okay, on clicking enter you will open the command prompt for that specific folder. You can see that in the C drive within this location we have opened the command prompt, right. So this is the second way to open the command prompt for the specific folder, right. नेक्स्ट जो थर्ड वे है जो मैं आपको बताने जा रहा हूँ कि आप कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट को किस चीज में यूज कर सकते हैं। हालांकि उनके बहुत सारे यूज है कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट के, राइट, बट मैं आपको कुछ ऐसे सिंपल और कॉमन चीजें बताने जा रहा हूँ जो मे बी आई एम प्रीटी श्योर कि आप नहीं जानते होंगे, राइट। तो कई बार जो है हमें जरूरत पड़ती है, हमें अगर सर्विस सेंटर से काम करना होता है, अपने लैपटॉप को दिखलाना होता है, तो वो पूछते हैं कि व्हाट इज योर सीरियल की, सीरियल टैग, राइट। तो ओकेजनली जो है हमें मिल जाता है वो हमारे लैपटॉप और डेस्कटॉप के किसी हार्डवेयर पार्ट पर लिखा रहता है वो स्टिकर, राइट। बट जब कभी अगर सिस्टम इनकेस अगर नहीं रहता है वो लिखा हुआ या फिर आपका सिस्टम पुराना होता है और आपके पास वो अवेलेबल नहीं होता है, तो फिर आप वो कहाँ से दे सकते हो सीरियल नंबर, सीरियल टैग, राइट। तो उसके लिए भी आप कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट का यूज कर सकते हो, राइट। जस्ट क्लिक विंडो प्लस R, click OK, type here WMIC BIOS, BIOS, right, and click enter. Okay, so here you can see just over the serial number. As we look down below, you will get the serial number of this system, right. Let me enlarge this. Here the serial number. Okay, so here you will get the serial number of that system, right. तो ये एक सबसे आसान तरीका है इनकेस अगर आपके पास सीरियल नंबर, सीरियल टैग अवेलेबल नहीं है, राइट, तो आप इस तरीके से किसी भी सिस्टम का सीरियल नंबर जान सकते हैं। ओके, नेक्स्ट जो अगला तरीका है जो मैं अभी आपको बताने जा रहा हूं, टू ओपन द कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट एज एन एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर, just click Windows plus R on your keyboard. Okay, you will get the run dialog box. Okay, just type here CMD and click OK, right. So here command prompt open हो चुका है as an administrator, right. इसका एक और तरीका है, in case कि अगर आप Windows plus R से अगर आपका नहीं खोलना चाह रहे हो, still just click over the start button, search here run. Okay, you will get the same dialog box. Okay, and just type here CMD and click OK. Again you can open this way as well. Okay, next आगे बढ़ते हैं। जो अगला तरीका है for using the command prompt, you can get to know your local IP address. Okay, let's see how. Just open your command prompt, type over here IP config, press enter. Okay, here you will get IPv4. Okay, and here is the IP address. Right, here is the IP address of this system. Right, and here is the adapter's IP address through which the system is connected. Right, another way to get to know all IP address, right, just again open your command prompt as an administrator, type here IP config space / all, right, and click enter. Here you will get all IP address, right, of the all adapters through which your system is connected. Right, here you will get all IP address for all adapters. Okay, you can check what user is currently logged on. Right, you can check what user is currently logged on. Right, सपोज अगर आप किसी डोमेन से कनेक्टेड हो, आप किसी होम नेटवर्क से कनेक्टेड हो, तो उसमें एक एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर होता है, बाकी सारे यूजर होते हैं. राइट, सो एज एन एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर यू कैन गेट टू नो कि कितने सारे यूजर जो हैं अभी कनेक्टेड है. राइट, सो फॉर दैट just open your command prompt again as an administrator, click OK, right, type WHOAMI who am I / all, press enter. Right, so here under the privileges information you will get to know the users which are currently logged in. Right, next जो अगला यूज है कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट का, we can use command prompt to uninstall a program, uninstall a software. Okay, जो कि install नहीं हो सकता है या फिर नहीं हो पा रहा है, we can install that using command prompt. Okay, again run command prompt as an administrator, click OK, type here WMIC, okay, enter, type product get name, hit enter. Now here you will get the list of all the programs which are currently installed on your system. Right, so these are all the programs which are currently installed. Right, now just type here product where name equals under inverted comma the program name. Right, I'm not going to uninstall any software right now. Okay, I'm just showing you that you can use here the program name which whatever you want to uninstall, right, using command prompt, and type call uninstall. Right, just do remember, type here, you need to type here your program name. Okay, like for example if I want to uninstall software Blender, okay, just type here Blender. Okay, just type here Blender and then type call uninstall. Okay, on clicking enter you will get the option, right, you will get the option for Y or N. Okay, Y stands for yes and stands for no. Okay, just type yes and after few minutes you will get a return value of 0. That means the action has been completed. Right, that means that software has been installed. Okay, so this is how you can install any program, okay, using the command prompt. वो प्रोग्राम जो कि डायरेक्टली अनइंस्टॉल नहीं हो पा रहे हैं आपके सिस्टम से. राइट, सो यू कैन यूज कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट फॉर दैट पर्पस. राइट, नेक्स्ट जो यूज है कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट का, we can use command prompt to open any file, okay, or read that file using the command prompt, right? I'll show you an example. Suppose I have already told you to how to open the command prompt in the specific folder, right? Suppose I want to open program in the desktop, right? So click over the desktop, click here, type CMD, hit enter, right? So I have opened the command prompt under desktop folder, right? Suppose I want to read this file, okay, test file. I want to read this file. So just type over here the file name followed by its extension. Do remember to type the extension properly, okay, else the file will not open, right? On hitting enter, the file will open automatically. So now you can see the file has been opened, right? So we can use this way as well to open any file on our system using the command prompt in case that file is not opening directly, right? Next use, we can get to know using command prompt the all currently installed drivers in our system, right? Just open the command prompt as an administrator, type here driver query, okay, hit enter. You will get all the list of the drivers. You will get the list of all drivers, right, which are currently installed on your system, right? Here you can see the adapter module name, right, the adapter name and what kind of driver is it and the link date, like on which date it was installed, right? So here you can get all the details of the drivers with their name, with the type, with their link date as well as the display name, right? So this is how you can do that. Next जो अगला तरीका है, we can check whether a website is working or not, whether an IP is working or not, right? It's just a simple thing, okay? Just open your command prompt, right? Type here ping and the IP address of that website, or you can use the name as well, right? Suppose I'm trying to check for the YouTube, right? So just type here www.youtube.com, right, and click enter. So if the website is working fine, you will get here the replies, right? You will get here the replies from that website. And if the website is not working, you will get timeout suddenly, okay? You will not get these things, you will not get reply and packets from this website, right? So this is how we can check whether an IP or a website is working fine or not, okay? I'll show you one more. How can we go? Like, suppose if you want to check whether YouTube is continuously working or not, just type here ping www.youtube.com space dash t, okay? Now you will get continuously reply from the website, right, until unless you want to exit that, okay? You will get continuously reply. So here you can see that we are getting replies from YouTube continuously, right? Continuously. Now one more thing I want to tell you about command prompt. I'm pretty sure you must not be knowing that. Okay, just open your command prompt, type here, type your command whatever you want. Okay, because I'm going to tell you something else. Okay, just type your command here, anything. Okay, so you can see I have used three commands here. Okay, I worked on three commands, right? So suppose if I want to use again the same command, so I'll have to type again those commands, right? So here is a few technique or hacks you can say through which like you can skip these things, right? Just click over the arrow button on your keyboard, up arrow or down arrow, right? On clicking the up arrow you will get all the commands which I've used earlier, right? So here you can use this command simply, or else the other way is just hit your F7 command, right? Here you will get the list of all commands which I have used earlier, right? So you can select over here and click enter. You will get again that command, right? So this is how you can use. Now the thing I want to tell you about the command prompt, like you can use for that. You can use command prompt for scanning your Windows system file, right? You can use command prompt to scan your Windows system file to repair any issues, right? Let's see how. Just open your command prompt as an administrator, right? Type here sfc / scan now. Hit enter. The command prompt will start the scanner to scan your entire system, right? And it will check any issues that it might have. Once the scan is finished, it will automatically fix the issues it found for you as needed, right? In case if no issues are found, you will see the Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violation message, right? In case no issues are found, right? So just wait for a few minutes and you will get the result. So now I've got the information that Windows Resource Protection found corrupt file and successfully repaired them, right? So few of the files was corrupted and it's been repaired automatically through the command prompt, right? You can use command prompt for this as well, right? Now the next tip I want to tell you that how can you hide a folder in your system, right? So suppose I want to hide a folder with the name test. Okay, so how can you hide? Just right click over here, going to the properties, clicking over the hidden button and click apply, right? But no, I'm not gonna do that, right? So I'll show you how can you use the same thing using the command prompt, right? So that no one else can find your file, right? Just open your command prompt in your directory, right? Just type here attrib space plus h space plus s space plus r space the folder name. Hit enter. Now the task has been done. Just refresh the page and it has been hidden, right? But don't worry, the file is here. ये कहीं और नहीं गया है, right? Just open your command prompt in the same directory, right? Just use the same command again, retrieve. Now just notice that I'm using minus this time, right? Not plus, because I have to unhide that file folder, right? Minus h space minus s space minus r and the folder name, that is test, right? Hit enter. Now here you can see it has been unhide now, right? So this is how you can hide any folder, right? So that no one else can know that where is your hidden file, right? You can use it with the command prompt as well. Now the next tip is, suppose if you are working on the command prompt, right? Let me open the command prompt first. Okay, suppose I'm using any command and get an output for that, right? So here I'm using the ipconfig to get the IP address. Now if I want to save this output, right? If I want to save this output in a file, how can we do that? So you can use the clipboard as well, right? You can use your clipboard to copy this output. How? I'll show you. Just use your command, insert the pipe button, right? And type clip. Hit enter. Now the all output has been copied in your clipboard. Now just create here a new file, right? Open it and just paste it over here. Here you can see all the output has been copied and pasted here, right? So now you can just save it. Okay, so this is how you can use this command to copy the output, copy any output of the command prompt in your clipboard, right? And save it. Now the last tip I want to give you, like this is the unique trick, right? That कि विंडोज ने कुछ फाइल्स नेम, फोल्डर्स नेम जो है रिजर्व करके रखे हैं, राइट? सपोज you can't save any file with the name con, right? See, if you will try to save those files, any files or folder with the name con, with the name aux, you will get this information, you will get this notice, right? That it is invalid because Windows has already reserved this file name, right? You can't create the file or folder with the name con, with the name aux, you can't, right? But I'm going to show you how can you create this file as well using the command prompt, right? Just open your command prompt. In that directory, I want to name this file as the reserved name, right? Which is in the desktop folder, right? So just open the command prompt in the desktop and type here md space the file name con and backward slash, hit enter, right? So now you have created a folder with the name con, जो आप यूजुअली नहीं बना सकते थे, राइट? जो आप सिंपल तरीके से नहीं बना सकते. So congratulations to you. You have created a reserved name folder, right? Yourself. Okay. So give yourself a high five. So this is how you can create any reserved name folder yourself, right? Using the same command MD followed by the file name and followed by a backward slash. Hitting enter and just refresh the location, right? So you have created. So congratulations to you. Give yourself a high five again, right? So this is all for today. Hope you have a good day. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe the channel.